The Alien Universe. A deep dive into the sci-fi horror masterpiece, The Alien Universe, is one of the most iconic and enduring franchises in science fiction and horror. Spanning multiple films, novels, comics, and video games, it has captivated audiences for over 4 decades with its blend of terrifying creatures, thought-provoking themes, and groundbreaking visuals. From the claustrophobic horror of the original Alien, 1979, to the philosophical questions raised in Prometheus, 2012, and Alien, Covenant, 2017, this universe is a rich tapestry of storytelling. In this video, we'll explore the origins, evolution, and enduring legacy of the Alien franchise, diving deep into its lore, themes, and unanswered mysteries. Chapter 1. The Birth of a Legend, Alien, 1979. The Alien franchise began with Ridley Scott's 1979 masterpiece, Alien. Set in the distant future, the film follows the crew of the commercial spaceship Nostromo as they encounter a deadly extraterrestrial creature. What sets Alien apart is its perfect blend of science fiction and horror, the film's slow-building tension combined with HR. Giger's biomechanical designs created a sense of dread that has rarely been matched. The Xenomorph, designed by Giger, is one of the most iconic monsters in cinema history. Its life cycle, starting as an egg, then a facehugger, a chestburster, and finally a fully grown xenomorph, is both horrifying and fascinating. The film's tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream," perfectly encapsulates its atmosphere of isolation and terror. Chapter 2. The Expansion Aliens. 1986, James Cameron's Aliens, 1986, took the franchise in a new direction, shifting from horror to action while retaining the tension and fear of the original. The film follows Ellen Ripley, Sigourney Weaver, as she returns to LV-426, the site of the original Xenomorph encounter, accompanied by a team of colonial marines. Aliens introduced new elements to the franchise, such as the Xenomorph of Queen and the idea of the creatures as a hive-minded species. The film also deepened Ripley's character, transforming her into a symbol of resilience and maternal strength. The action-packed sequences and memorable one-liners, game over, and they made aliens a cultural phenomenon. A philosophical turn. Alien 3, 1992, and Alien, Resurrection, 1997, Alien 3, 1992, and Alien, Resurrection, 1997 marked a shift in the franchise, exploring darker and more philosophical themes. Alien 3, directed by David Fincher, is set on a prison planet where Ripley must face the Xenomorph once again. The film's bleak tone and focus on themes of sacrifice and redemption divided fans, but have since gained a cult following. Alien. Resurrection Pierre Junet takes place 200 years after Alien 3 and introduces a cloned version of Ripley. The film explores themes of identity, humanity, and the ethics of genetic engineering. While it was criticized for its tonal shifts, it remains an intriguing entry in the franchise. Chapter 4. The prequels Prometheus, 2012, and Alien, Covenant. Ridley Scott returned to the franchise with Prometheus, 2012, a prequel that explores the origins of the Xenomorphs and the mysterious engineers. The film follows a team of scientists as they travel to the distant moon LV-223 in search of humanity's creators. Prometheus delves into profound questions about creation, faith, and the nature of life, but its ambiguous ending left audiences divided. Alien. Covenant 17 continues the story, bridging the gap between Prometheus and the original Alien. The film introduces the Neomorph, a new species created by the Black Liquid, and delves deeper into the motivations of the android David, Michael Fassbender. David's experiments with the Black Liquid and his obsession with creating the perfect organism tie the prequels to the original films. The engineers architects of life and death, the engineers, also known as the space jockeys, are one of the most enigmatic elements of the Alien universe. These ancient beings are revealed to be the creators of humanity, but their intentions remain unclear. The Black Liquid, a mutagenic substance, plays a central role in their experiments, serving as both a tool for creation and a weapon of mass destruction. The engineer's connection to the Xenomorphs is hinted at in Prometheus and Alien, Covenant, suggesting that they may have played a role in the creature's creation. However, their ultimate fate and the reasons for their abandonment of humanity remain one of the franchise's biggest mysteries. The Xenomorphs' evolution of a nightmare. The Xenomorphs are the heart of the Alien franchise, and their design and life cycle have evolved over years. From the original Xenomorph in Alien to the Queen in Aliens and the Neomorph in Alien, Covenant, each iteration adds new layers to the creature's mythology. The Xenomorphs' adaptability and intelligence make them one of the most terrifying species in science fiction. A Vague mentality, acid blood, and relentless pursuit of their prey have cemented their status as iconic monsters. Chapter 7. The Android's Humanity's Dark Reflection. Androids have played a significant role in the Alien franchise, often serving as foils to the human characters. From Ash in Alien to Bishop in Aliens and David in Prometheus and Alien, Covenant, these synthetic beings raise questions about the nature of humanity and the ethics of artificial intelligence. David, in particular, is a fascinating character. His experiments with the black liquid and his obsession with creating the perfect organism make him one of the franchise's most complex and morally ambiguous figures. Chapter 8. The themes humanity, creation and survival. The Alien franchise explores a wide range of themes, from the nature of humanity to the ethics of creation and the struggle for survival. The films often juxtapose the cold corporate greed of organizations like Weyland-Yutani with the resilience and humanity of characters like Ripley. The franchise also delves into philosophical questions about creation and destruction, as seen in the engineer's experiments and David's quest for perfection. These themes add depth to the franchise, elevating it beyond mere horror and action. Chapter 9. The legacy influence on sci-fi and horror. The Alien franchise has had a profound impact on science fiction and horror. Its blend of claustrophobic tension, groundbreaking visuals, and thought-provoking themes has inspired countless films, TV shows, and video games. The franchise's influence can be seen in everything from The Thing to Dead Space, and its iconic designs have become a staple of pop culture. The Xenomorph, in particular, remains one of the most recognizable and terrifying creatures in cinema history. Chapter 10. The future. What's next for the franchise? The Alien franchise continues to evolve, with new films, TV shows, and video games in development. Ridley Scott has expressed interest in continuing the prequel series, while other creators are exploring new directions for the franchise. The upcoming Alien TV series, set to premiere on FX, promises to expand the universe even further. With its rich lore and enduring appeal, the Alien franchise is sure to captivate audiences for generations to come. Chapter 11. Unanswered questions and fan theories. The Alien universe is full of unanswered questions and mysteries. What are the engineers' true intentions? How did the Xenomorphs come to be? What is the ultimate fate of humanity in this universe? These questions have sparked countless fan theories and discussions, keeping the franchise alive in the hearts and minds of its fans. Chapter 12. Conclusion. The enduring appeal of the Alien universe. The Alien franchise is more than just a series of films. It's a cultural phenomenon. Its blend of horror, science fiction, and philosophical depth has made it one of the most enduring and influential franchises in cinema history. Whether you're a long-time fan or a newcomer, there's always something new to discover in the Alien universe.